If you have your first move out cleaning, congratulations. Here are some things that I wish I knew I should have brought to my first cleaning. We're gonna start with the obvious stuff first. Obviously you need a vacuum and a mop. That is just standard. And you need cleaning cloths and paper towel. Not every move out cleaning is created the same, and that is why you need a scraping tool, whether it's one on a handle, one like this, one like this. It doesn't really matter, but the important thing is you have something to scrub stuff with. So the inside of the oven, especially the glass, if it gets really greasy and you have that thick stuff stuck on there, this will come in handy. If you're dealing with adhesive, there are so many reasons, and the moment you get to them, you will understand why I suggested scrapers. You need to get yourself a good quality degreaser, whether it is Dawn dish soap or this one right here. Whatever brand that you like that has good degreasing power, make sure you bring that with to a move out cleaning, because you will run into some grease. Make sure to bring a proper disinfectant. You don't want it to just look clean, but you want it to actually be clean and sanitized. Hard water buildup, lime scale, rust, and all that fun stuff can really slow you down during a move out cleaning. And when you're dealing with a stainless steel fridge or a sink that just looks beat up, you need a product for it. So what we like to use is Barkeeper's Friend, because it actually does tackle most of those scenarios, except for the rust. That one you might need something else for. But this stuff works really great. If you have a hard water buildup on showers, for example, you use this combined with the scraper, it'll look as good as new again. Next on the list is sponges. Get a few different ones, but most importantly, get a magic eraser. Believe it or not, there is not a single one left in here. The staff love grabbing those things. They go like candy, so I will have to get more. Make sure to get a magic eraser. Don't be that person to clean a home perfectly and just say you can't reach a window or some high reach dusting. Make sure you're prepared for high reach windows and dusting. That way you can get everything cleaned. Bring a few different brushes. I always like to bring one that is a specific grout brush in case you run into some issues with the grout cleaning, and a brush for tile surfaces and stuff. And bring a brush like a toothbrush, something that you can use for hard to reach places. Oftentimes when you're doing a move out cleaning, somebody had to do some repair. So there's often paint or some sort of adhesive that is stuck. Or perhaps they had a bunch of stuff on the walls, like stickers and tape, whatever, and it's just tough to get that off. So make sure to get something with you that can clean adhesive really well. Make sure to bring a broom. I know it seems old school, but this and a dustpan will come in handy. The first time you move a stove and you see what's underneath, you'll understand what I mean. That vacuum cleaner that you brought, unless you get yourself a dry wet vac, odds are that thing's gonna break down if you suck up a bunch of glass and wet food debris and all that fun stuff. Bring one of these. Odds are you also have to sweep the garage. This will come in handy. For some of you, it might seem very obvious, but please bring one. If you're sitting there with your notepad and you say he hasn't mentioned glass cleaner, that is because you really don't need it. Dish soap and water will do the trick. Use a microfiber cloth, or better yet, a squeegee. Put a towel underneath if you're doing interior window cleaning, but make sure to use dish soap and water. That's all you need. You don't need fancy glass cleaner. Very underrated but heavy duty garbage bags. They will come in handy and you will understand when you run into it. I already mentioned it, but I know some folks in the comments are gonna say he didn't mention a mop, even though I did. Bring yourself a mop. It does not have to be this. You can use whatever mop you want, but make sure to bring them up. A good quality extension cord. You never know. Sometimes you get into a place and the outlets don't even properly work. So you have like one or two that work. You never know what you run into. Again, I've done this for years. Trust me, bring one. Bring yourself a Swiffer. The reason I do that for post-construction and move-outs is you simply clip microfiber cloths on it and you can dust and wash walls very effectively. And lastly, since this is your first job, you may have underquoted and you're not quite sure what you're gonna be in for, bring music, food, and beverages. You need that because your tank is gonna run empty, but you gotta finish the job. Now, if you're sitting there discouraged, saying to yourself, you can't buy all those things, you don't have the budget, don't worry, you don't need it. It makes your life a whole lot easier and you can deliver great results You need less elbow grease. But I did my first cleaning with a crappy vacuum from Walmart, a mop, and I had an all-purpose cleaner, and that was literally it. So if you want to go out there, don't let all this stuff stop you. The most important thing is for you to actually go out there and do it. You'll learn along the way. Make sure to take notes. Now, I have over 300 videos on my cleaning channel for different things like oven cleaning, window cleaning, you name it. If you need help with that, please have a look at some of the other videos. Make sure you're nice and prepared for your cleaning. And of course, if you'd like, you can always subscribe. I always appreciate it. And I wish you best of luck with your cleaning.